name's Joe Silins, and this is my straw bale casita. It was kind of the start of my natural building journey. Built it between 2015 and 2016. I attended some trainings, different natural building training centers, one outside of Mexico City, one here in southern Arizona called the Canelo Project, which is just southeast of Sonoita. And after attending a week-long training and having some construction experience, I'd done some work for some small contractors here in Tucson, part-time building houses from the ground up, and I kind of had enough skills to figure things out as I went. I had hired an architect to come up with a set of blueprints for me, and after that I just started building it from the ground up here. So it took me about a year and a half to complete, and been living in it ever since, and it's been super comfy. It's about a 450 square feet interior plus a sleeping loft up above. It's super insulated, super comfy, very energy efficient, very sustainable building material with a lot of natural finishes as well. An adobe floor, which is basically the site that came from this, the soil that came from this site, and is mixed with sand and straw and then sealed with an oil. And there's earthen plasters on the outside, which are very vapor permeable, so they kind of allow the building to breathe. So it's almost like the whole building is a living organism as air and moisture kind of passes through the walls. Ever since I finished this house, kind of started me on this path where now I help other people build adobe or straw bale homes of their own. In the state of Arizona, you can be an owner builder, which allows you to basically run a construction project, your own construction project, as if you were a general contractor. So can enable you to save costs and kind of take a more hands-on role in building a house. And so I've kind of been helping people with the design and trainings, consulting, walking them through the process. My client just got her final inspections done, and she's kind of in the process of getting moved in Camp Verde. Was just over 1,000 square feet straw bale house, and so that one helped her come up with a design and develop the plans, the blueprints, and then kind of helped coach her through the building process, and got up there for wall raising workshops, helping out with some plasters and getting labor up there trained in some of these kind of specialized natural finishes that there's specialized knowledge kind of in different areas, but kind of bringing all the pieces together. A lot of the conventional tradespeople just don't have that experience, so kind of helping out here and there as needed. And then got a couple design projects coming up here. Just finishing up with a casita, straw bale casita for kind of the west side of Tucson. Another one in St. David, which is down by Benson. And so there's people interested in natural construction. It's kind of a niche, and a lot of times people will be in kind of more rural areas, but there is definitely an interest here in urban areas too. You can really do some beautiful infill structures that are comfortable, that are efficient, that are super energy efficient as well as spatially. And so yeah, kind of just been helping people through the process, and yeah, it's been a fun journey.